What's going on, everyone? Endless Gaming here, and welcome to another unboxing video. This month's Demon Loot Crate is dead, so excited to see what's inside. Also, I've opened this already because I can't open with one hand or grab stuff with one hand. Shit. Alright. Finally. We got a little Deadpool figurine. That's nice. Eat blazing doorknobs of death, banana face. Alright. Also, they say they're gonna do like every month it's gonna be a t-shirt, so yeah, I can't wait. A little magazine to tell what's inside the loot crate. Oh, The Walking Dead. Daryl's ear necklace. Oh my god. Okay. That's something. We got these little construction sets. You can either get a zombie, Daryl, or Rick, or whatever. I don't know. Is that it? Oh no. Also, we got our little pin, which can get a bonus exclusive downloads. And our shirt. Tacos! I'm gonna be wearing this. Alright guys, that's all. Please leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, before I close out the video, I will say that after I get a new battery, I can finally upload videos. I haven't been able to because my fucking laptop just wants to go all fucking crazy. So yeah, pretty weird. Sucks. Alright guys, see you in the next video on unboxing. Also, it's gonna be another unboxing video for Loot Gaming, which I am excited for. Alright, see you guys.